Action Emergency Broadcast System. If there had been an actual situation in Monstropolis, you would have been required to tune in to beneficial information. This broadcast is entirely effective emergency broadcast.
Dentro del taxi y vigilen a sus pequeños monstruos. Que disfruten de su viaje.
Attention visitors.
Alright folks, at this time make sure backpacks are off. Little one. Alright folks, backpacks off, little ones in first. This right here is your cab. Come on in, come on in. Alright, my next part, Happy birthday.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Smokesy Moo.
Oh, goodly bear!
This human child froze me with its tongue out of control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me.
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
On my birthday, I thought you cared about me.
Try to understand.
Come on, this way.
Predator is under observation. Eco unit in position. Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here.
I am the girl's picture. Situation clear, Rider. Eco unit charged and ready.
Nice! Yeah! What an exciting ever happens!
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scaffold.
Are you done yet, boo?
Race you to the scaffold.
Yes, I did. Kmart.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her door now.
Go? Oh, no. Slam it.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. I love you, kiddo.
Good night, boo. Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep time.
It's been the most terrifying day.
We responded to a 2319 Parker Center immediately, but the care of the area is swift. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 9900. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 Parker
Everything under control now, so keep it moving. You didn't see anything unusual here today, did you? You never saw a human child in Monstropolis, did you?
South.